Number 5.
We're proud to introduce the Ample Smart Backpack, the world's most advanced portable charging solution integrated directly into the fabric of a bag. I think that it should be easier to charge your phone and your laptop wherever you are without needing to find a power outlet. My life is lived on the go. I can't keep my laptop charged past noon. My phone needs to be plugged in before 3 p.m. I must have tried every portable charging system, portable battery. Most of them just don't get it done. What I really need is a serious charging solution that can power anything, anytime, anywhere. But the portable charging solution that I needed didn't exist, and I wanted to build it. And when I explained what I wanted to do to some engineering friends of mine, they wanted to help because they needed it too. We're proud to introduce the Ample Smart Backpack, the portable charging solution that we needed, and we think you might need too. And we're proud to have been named a 2015 CES Innovation Awards honoree in 2 categories, a testament to the engineering rigor that was put into the development of this product.
So I've been designing bags for over a decade, and the challenge here was that the bag wasn't just holding your devices, but you were also plugging your devices into the bag for them to be charged. I started to create illustration drawings where I would then send them to Tomoko, and she would start engineering the housings around those pieces, and then she would send them back, and I would tailor the bag design around her CAD data.
Our goal was to create a design that was truly intuitive for the user, and we wanted the electronics to almost disappear into the fabrics of the bag.
The Ample Smart Backpack can charge all of your devices overnight or throughout the day. We integrated a powerful custom-built battery that can recharge a smartphone 2 to 3 times. There's a USB port in every pocket, and you can add 3 expansion batteries for days that you need more power. The modular batteries charge rapidly when docked into the bag, but can also be removed and used separately. You can stick it in your coat pocket or your purse and take it to dinner with you, and you don't have to carry the bag with you to have that backup power. When we first thought about putting electronics into a backpack, we immediately worried, what happens if you drop it? So we added shock absorbers and an extra layer of foam all the way around, and we applied a water-resistant coating to all of the exterior fabrics to help keep the rain out. Have you ever forgotten your backpack at a coffee shop? The Ample Smart Backpack can alert you if you do. And we built a mobile app that'll monitor battery levels, connected devices, and smart sensors in the bag. Or you can use the OLED display and touch sensor to monitor the vitals inside of the bag without ever opening a zipper. Ample is a talented team of designers and engineers with decades of experience launching new products. More importantly though, we're commuters, travelers, coffee shop dwellers, and on-the-go doers, and we needed a more ample bag. We have a plan to get into production by early summer, but we need help to get there. We're hoping to raise at least $125,000 to cover the cost of tooling and raw materials. And as a thank you to our early backers, we're offering a 25% discount on the bag and all of the accessory modules. Please support us in bringing the Ample Smart Backpack to life.
Number 4.
Meet the ProGo 2.0 Backpack. A bag that'll be your best companion wherever you go. If you're a photographer, traveler, student, or a businessman, this bag will be your best partner. Wherever you go, whatever you do, ProGo is the bag for you. With over a dozen key features, such as removable expanding shelf, dedicated shoe compartment, camera dividers, hidden RFID back pocket, just to name a few, ProGo will keep all your valuables safe thanks to its Bluetooth anti-theft device. Now, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing that your valuables are secure. Here's why ProGo bags are like no other. It can carry all your photographic gear, keep your shoes in a dedicated compartment, your passport and documents in the hidden RFID blocking pouch, your laptop and tablets in the tech compartment, and up to 1 week of clothes in the expanding shelf for a longer travel journey. There's also a dedicated side pouch for smaller items, as well as a front pouch for maps and notebooks. You can use the mesh to keep your earbuds in place and insert the bag on carry-on when traveling with plane or train. For photographers, it's important to be able to carry all the necessary gear in one bag. Thanks to the integrated padded dividers that can safely store all the photographic gear, including the tripod on the side strap. ProGo bags come in two sizes to fit all, a 24-liter and a 37-liter. Both bags have the exact same features and functionality, except their sizes, and come with metal hardware, and are packed with multiple pockets to store belongings and durable water-resistant fabric. By making a pledge, you'll be getting the most functional travel bag like no other. Back this project and be part of our mission to create the most versatile bag you'll ever need.
Number 3. Number 2.
If you've been looking for the perfect backpack, look no further, you've just found it. Designed for everything you want to carry, this laptop backpack measures 22 inches by 12 inches by 7 inches. It can hold up to a 17-inch laptop with the dedicated laptop sleeve and protects against bumps and falls. It also has a USB charging port so you can easily and quickly charge any of your devices. Easily organize your things. 4 zipper pockets, 2 side mesh pockets, 1 laptop sleeve, 2 small inner pockets, and 2 pin loops provides a separate space for your laptop, textbooks, magazines, iPhone, iPad, pens, keys, wallet, books, clothes, bottles, and more. Our backpack is made of heavy-duty, water-resistant Oxford fabric, ultra-durable and sturdy. The lining is water-resistant polyester, keeps your things dry. Carry your laptop and accessories and anything else you need wherever you go. This pack provides a honeycomb mesh suspension system for added protection and comfort. Perfect for college, school, business, travel, short hiking, camping, and outdoor activities. The Tow Code Backpack is available at Amazon.com.
Number 1.